Now we continue module 7 with the verbs to meet, to know, and to find in the past. Let's go. To meet, to know, and to find. So let's remember very quickly, with the verb to meet, we have two ideas. One is the first time in your life you meet someone, or when you meet someone in a specific time, specific place. I meet my friend every Saturday for coffee. To know someone is a person familiar to you, and to find a person, find someone is when you don't know where the person is. Now, these verbs in the past, with the verb meet, it's the open mouth, meet, and short met, meet, met. To know, knew. Okay, so know, knew. Find and found. Find, present, found, past. So I met him yesterday. What will happen to the H is I met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. I never knew him. I never knew him. I never knew him. They found him. They found him. They found him. So met him, knew him, found him. This is our focus of practice. Train your ears and to train your accent. So let's get started on our practice. Remember, pause, listen, repeat, and train. He died before I was born. I never knew him. He died before I was born. I never knew him. I never knew him. He died before I was born. So before I was born, I never knew him. We are going to have to meet him at the front entrance of the university. They're going to have to meet him at the front entrance of the university. And they're gonna have to meet him at the front entrance of the university. They found him asleep on the sofa. They found him asleep on the sofa. They found him. They found him asleep on, so asleep on. They found him asleep on the sofa. I knew him years ago at university, but I haven't seen him in years. I knew him years ago at university, but I haven't seen him in years. I knew him years ago at university, but I haven't seen him in years. So I knew him years ago at university, but I haven't seen him in years. I haven't seen him. I haven't seen him. Haven't seen him in years. His parents found him playing in the garden. His parents found him playing in the garden. His parents found him playing in the garden. The G in playing often disappears. His parents found him playing in the garden. Alright, so this ends our second video of module 7. I will see you in the next video for you learning to use him with verbs to see, hear, and help in the past. See you there.